Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to limit communication during screen time or downtime. So it can be useful for some people. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is simply tap on the settings. Here what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the screen time option. Simply tap on it. Here you need to scroll all the way down until you see the communication limit. Simply tap on it. Here you can adjust the during screen time, so you can select contacts only, or if you want you can also select everyone. And then for the during downtime, simply tap on it and you can choose specific contacts who can communicate with you. So remember, it can apply to phone, FaceTime, messages, and iCloud contact. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.